Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our 7 Days English Speaking Challenge. I'm Arif.
And I'm Emma. We're so happy to have you with us again.
Today is day 4 of our 7 Days English Speaking Challenge.
Yes, if you've been following our challenge from day 1, thank you so much for learning English with us every day.
Yesterday, we went shopping together. We bought a beautiful dress and a pair of white sneakers, and we learned many useful English expressions for shopping.
That's right. And today, we're going to our English speaking class.
Today's topic is At the English Speaking Class.
In today's lesson, you'll learn how to greet your teacher, introduce yourself in class, answer simple questions, and practice speaking English with confidence.
So, get ready to practice with us.
Let's begin today's conversation. Good morning, Arif.
Good morning, Emma. You arrived early.
Yes, I don't like being late.
Me neither. Shall we go inside?
Sure.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome to today's English speaking class. My name is Mr. David, and I'll be your teacher.
Nice to meet you, sir.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet both of you. Before we begin, I'd like each of you to introduce yourselves. Arif, would you like to go first?
Certainly. Hello, everyone. My name is Arif. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a student, and I enjoy learning English because I want to speak fluently and confidently. In my free time, I like playing cricket, watching English videos, and creating YouTube content. I'm very happy to be here today.
Excellent introduction, Arif. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Emma, now it's your turn.
Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. I'm from Canada. I love reading books, traveling, and meeting new people. My goal is to become an English teacher in the future. I'm excited to improve my speaking skills with all of you.
Wonderful. You both spoke very clearly.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Now, let's practice a simple conversation. Arif, what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is computer science because I enjoy learning about technology.
Very good. Emma, what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English because I love reading and writing.
Excellent. Now tell me, why do you want to improve your English?
I want to improve my English because I want to study abroad and communicate with people from different countries.
I want to improve my English because I want to become a confident teacher.
Those are wonderful goals. Always remember, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake helps you learn something new.
That's very encouraging.
Yes, it makes me feel more confident.
Exactly. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
I'll remember that.
Me too.
Great. For tomorrow's class, I have a small activity for both of you.
What is it, sir?
Tomorrow, I want both of you to visit the city library. Choose an English book, talk to the librarian in English, and tell me about the book you choose.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, it'll be a great opportunity to practice English.
Exactly. Learning English doesn't only happen inside the classroom. Practice everywhere you go.
We'll do our best.
Thank you for today's lesson.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, sir.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye, everyone.
Thank you for watching day 4 of our 7 Days English Speaking Challenge.
Join us tomorrow for day 5, where we'll visit the city library and learn how to speak English in a library.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.